In the gear transmission design process, if the hardness of the gear is not fully considered, it will have a great impact on the performance of the transmission system, such as common gear failure, tooth surface depression, tooth root fatigue cracks, etc., related to gear hardness and gear quality. According to the tooth mesh, gear reducer gears are categorized into soft tooth face and hard tooth face, which are reflected in the following applications. Soft tooth face gear and tooth face hardness is less than or equal to 350 HBS. At least one of a pair of gears is soft tooth face, usually used for general low and medium speed gearing. Precision requirements are not high. Point 2. Hard tooth face gear and tooth face hardness greater than 350 HBS. Both gears are hard tooth face, usually used for gearing with high load carrying capacity and small size. In some equipment, such as winches, a soft tooth face is usually used, whereas hoists are now mainly hardened. Reducer in the design if the following 3 points are usually considered. General working conditions of the soft tooth surface gear drive. Soft tooth surface steel gear drive is less than or equal to 350 HBS, mainly based on the tooth contact strength, according to the tooth contact fatigue strength design, and then according to the bending fatigue strength of the root of the teeth to carry out the calibration. 2. For hardened tooth surface closed gear drive, hard tooth greater than 350 HBS, steel gears, and cast iron gear transmission. Tooth root is mainly based on tooth root bending strength, designed according to the bending fatigue strength, and then calibrated according to the tooth surface contact fatigue strength. 3. For open gear transmission, the main form of failure is tooth wear and tooth fracture. The design standard is only based on the bending fatigue strength of the tooth root design calculations to determine the modulus. In the design of the modulus, based on an increase of 10% minus 20% to consider the impact of wear.